Hello guys, welcome to Say Geeks. Today our topic is how you can change your system IP manually without any VPN or without any third-party software. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. Guys, as you know, when you are connected with internet, your DHCP server via your internet service provider assigns your system a unique IP through which you can connect to the world to the internet. If you want to join any LAN or MAN network or any subscribed MCN network, or you want to change country IP, you want to assign any specific IP from any country, you need to change your IPv4 IP address. So first of all, you need to go into network adapter option through which you can go into run command. For run window R, this is run dialog box. I have many tutorials for run commands. You can check it out. Type here the command ncpa.cpl for network adapter options. This is a network adapter options network connections. Every system has. So go into right click on to your connected network, then properties, then internet protocol version IPv4, TCP IP4, then properties. Now the system is obtaining by DHCP server. Internet service provider assigns a unique IP from its pool. So simply if I want to change this IP, go into use IP manually. Type here from your choice or your LAN network configuration according to your configuration. Suppose I want to change the IP from this pool 71. So this is a unique IP which I am going to assign. Subnet mask will automatically assign default gateway. It must be from domain of my pool. Then preferred DNS. It's random. So this is all we done. The IP, this is specific IP, then subnet mask. System automatically collects subnet mask from your IP class, then default gateway, which is by default first of your IP address, then your DNS, and then OK. The system will confirm, click yes, close. Now I will check it from CMD DOS. Check my IP of my PC, CMD. Then type here the command ipconfig all. So here is a complete detail of my LAN and WAN networks. So this is IP 206.7150.201. This is the IP default subnet mask and gateway. This is all we done. The system has now manual IP, static IP. This is called static IP. You can, if you want to revert this IP, you can change by again go into network adapter options, properties, TCP IP4, this one, properties, click on to obtain IP automatically from DHCP pool. Okay, that's okay. Now this will be, the IP will be set from my internet service provider or DHCP server. In this way you can change your dynamic IP to static IP. Here is the command for, I am writing CMD, then you need to check IP. For your ease, I am writing. This is a command to check IP in DOS. Thanks guys for watching and learning.